Very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our latest Trendex event. As we promised in our last season, which is already last year. So, by the way, Happy New Year to all of you. For all audience, our Trendex family today, we have lots of exciting announcements lined up for you this year. We're kicking off the new year with a big bang, bringing you fresh updates and insights from the Trendex family. Trendex has been making incredible strides, and today we are here to share the latest developments, new features, and what's next for all of you in the community. We are incredibly excited for all the journey ahead, and we can't wait to share it with you. So let's dive right in, seize the moment. Without further ado, please welcome the Mr. Abdul, CEO of Trendex, to share the exciting news and updates. And first, allow me to introduce Abdul, and I think I'll pass the mic to our CEO, Abdul. Ms. Abdul, the mic is yours now. Please introduce yourself to our whole Trendex family and all the audience for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Machi. Hello, everyone. My name is Abdurrahman. I'm the CEO of Trendex. I have over a decade of experience in distributed networks and decentralized systems. So since I joined Trendex, I had a privilege of leading the development of the AI data integration systems, which are the sentiment analysis indicators, KOL tweets tracking, and the smart computing network. Also, we designed the TTA token, which is our sustainable ecosystem, which is integrate reward mechanism with the market control strategies. As a CEO, I view Trendex as the leader in the digital economy through its innovation and collaborations. Trendex is committed to building a transparent and reliable platform that will help users worldwide. Thank you once again for being here, and I look forward for sharing more about our journey in Trendex. Back to you, Machi.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abdul, and thank you for the introduction. It's a truly privilege to have you here with us today. You are leading such an incredible team, I have to say that, and the vision and the innovation driving Trendex are truly inspiring. We are grateful for your leadership and share this exciting updates with us today. So now let's a little bit our CEO now. So now let's dive into the main conversation of today. I think the first and foremost important news, I think you all see the poster on the Twitter. If you haven't followed us, please follow us on Trendex Official and Trendex Research. We're thrilled to share with you today is about our computing token XTTA, which is set to make its debut very, very soon. Mark your calendar, 26th January. This marks a significant milestone for Trendex and opens up a world of new possibility for our ecosystem. Here, as a little bit for you, Mr. Abdul. So I would like to invite you to share a message to the users about XTTA's upcoming launch. Thank you.
You're welcome. So Trendex has been evolving for the past 2 years now, and it's been a long journey for us, which is sharpened with your feedbacks and your support. So we have been able to enhance our features and improve the user experience overall, which was our focus, which has always been using technology and resource to help our users to seize opportunities for growth and returns. During these 2 years, we have earned the trust of many of users, and that's helped us to reach key milestones and achieve a steady progress. At the same time, the development of our computing power ecosystem has helped strengthen the Trendex overall growth, giving us a solid foundations for the future. The Trendex ecosystem is built on two main things, which are AI-driven strategies powered by the big data and AI computing power. We are working closely with the computing power providers to serve our platform users, aiming to help everyone grow their assets by offering high-profit investment strategies. As the computational power ecosystem expands, Trendex AI and big data capabilities are improving very rapidly. We are currently training a specialized Web3 AI models which will analyze a massive amount of data and provide a precise investment strategies. Our goal is to help each user's net worth grow continuously, and as TrendX becomes more useful and valuable, the participants in our ecosystem will receive a long-term and stable return. And the launch of XTTA marks a new chapter for us. It's a major milestone for us, but also an exciting opportunity to create even more value for our users. We truly believe by putting this interest of our users first and helping them gain real value, we can create a long-term relationship, which is a win-win situation. Moving forward, we are committed to helping every TrendX supporter find new possibility and create even more value within our ecosystem. And back to you, Much.
Thank you so much, Abdul. That's pretty exact more about it. I think the launch of the XTTA represents a major milestone for TrendX as it's long waited and everyone was so excited about this news. So open up a new opportunity for creating value for users with the expansion of the computing power ecosystem, make the whole ecosystem rolling forward, and the advancements for AI-driven strategies. So TrendX, I know, is committed to helping users to grow their assets and achieve for long-term and high growth, for that. So as we know, we're based on our channel is DeFi and DePIN. So we're based on big data, AI, all the most advanced technology. So as we're talking about the dual, so something I have to talk about in depth about our TrendX dual token economic module. So because it sounds like very unique and very advanced, and for a lot of users or maybe beginning user for Web3, welcome to Web3 world, by the way. So, and all our old friends, our family, everyone. So maybe you just design, I know you're very tech background. So maybe from your way, use your technical background and use easy understanding language to explain to all of the audience today. So why is the dual token economy model designed this way? What's your thoughts behind it? And what's the logic behind? Thank you.
Thank you again, Masha. So our profit strategy for TrendX, it's based on AI and DePIN. Let's first start with AI. AI component refers to the platform functional system, which is formed by AI agents and big data. The TTA, which will be serving as ecological token for the AI. TTA will be spanned across various dimensions, such as strategy application, trading application, data application, and platform governance. Meanwhile, the DePIN refers to an entire computing power system that supports TrendX strategy model training and big data applications. The XTTA is the ecological token for this computing power. It can support the ecosystem and the computing resources and the computing power upgrades. It will facilitate the platform expansion in the decentralized computing space, which will improve in long-term sustainability and redefine the vision for a labor and incentive mechanism, which these two ecosystems represent different economic models and value. This design offers TrendX greater flexibility and diversity, which is catering the different user needs as the platform diversifies. The distinct role of TTA and XTTA will further maximize their value. And going back to you, Much.
Thank you so much, Abdul. I know this for you, use a simplified word to explain such a comprehensive technology like, our design is not that easy, but thank you to our best to explain to you in the simplest word you can. And thank you for comprehensive explanation for TrendX dual token economy module. And then I think it's very clear, this innovative design, and I will just really call it innovative design, ensure a seamless blend of our we otherwise will sell for AI power strategies and decentralized computing power, which is our ball. The cube already 3D printed, the wings flapping, everything. So creating a robust and sustainable ecosystem. I think this whole ecosystem is really self-efficient now. I can imagine the whole, universe of TrendX, So I can even visualize myself for that. So I think just to recap a little bit, I think there's a distinct roles actually of TTA and our XTTA truly demonstrates Trendex's commitment to flexibility and value maximization for all of users. I think that's the main point of it. So computing power token, for this, and I can't wait to more you share, because I know I had a little peek news from your side, because there's more exciting news for our early miners, which is all about holders. There are lots of benefit for them. There's lots of more rewards, additional rewards. So anything we have the benefit back to our users. So let's dive deeper for about how the token going to impacting and shaping the future of the platform. So it's my little recap from your side. So how does Trandex bring value to users, and how is it being achieved? I think that's something we're going to really focus on, because we know our Trandex platform is about mainly solely purpose is for investment opportunity, and also we're going to add trading functions. I think I reviewed a little bit last year for that. So please, I'll just back the mic to you, Mr. Abdul. Please tell us how Trandex bring value to users and how it's achieved in your technical way and bring to the audience. Thank you.
Okay. So to ensure the continuous growth of user net assets, we will be empowering them with the judgment and the insights of professional traders. We will leverage a comprehensive approach that involves collecting, filtering, cleaning, and analyzing a vast data, which is sourced from the KOL active data, the risk audit data, the smart money data, the transactions data, the news media data, and the community data. We will take all of this data, we transform this diverse that we transform it into an automated AI strategies that will entirely run by algorithms, ensuring the outcome of this will be free from subjective influence. Which has a key feature we are excited about is the customizable AI token recommendation tool, which allow users to define their own profit strategies. It will be simple and yet highly impactful. This level of customization enables users to take control of their investment decisions. It will shift them from passive reliance and external advice to an active and personalized judgment. Furthermore, Trendex integrates data from over 50,000 Web3 KOLs globally. Users can set their KOL preference by selecting those who align with their standards, or by just setting the criteria of the types of KOLs they want to follow. The system alerts users when their selected KOLs release new project or tokens, acting as a wealth radar. That will help users stay ahead of emerging market trends. Trendex AI recommendation system doesn't simply tell users what to buy, it equips them with the tools which these tools are designed to let them make their own strategies and make informed decisions, turning them into an expert, basically, which is a focus on customization and personalization from the leaderboards. And AI will facilitate these things. We aim to help every user navigate this fast-paced market and identify valuable opportunities. So back to you, Mach.
Thank you, Mr. Abdul. I know Trandex calling is bring all the investment opportunity and the trade fairly for every single one, and I really moved by that. And thank you explaining how Trandex bring unparalleled value to its users. I know why you drafting the docs for Trandex and all the logic. I see how many nights you pull over for our design for the new feature and functions. I'm really truly grateful for that, and it's truly inspiring to see how Trandex leverage vast data resources. For like just now, you give a lot of words and a lot of data, different sources, because that's just only glance about what we'll be providing for the data analyzing and computing. So there's way more behind it. Can be pages. We can talk in hours about it. So stay tuned for that. Thank you, Sven, for that. So next thing we're thinking, we'll just dive into the news I was picked last year when I holding this space with our Trandex family. So we're talking about, there is like a big announcement coming, which is our trading system about to launch. So finally, I think in one night say something like that. It's not really formal, but so now the CEO is here. So Abdul is here. So I think you are the one going to make the announcement. So Without further ado, so Trandex trading system is about to launch. Okay, I say that again. So what will be the difference? I mean, there's already many existing trading platform, there, and they do really well. But Trandex, I know after, days and nights, you and your team, and I saw you how it worked. So you designed very, very unique function for a trading platform. I even heard you integrate with a trading professional traders to contribute to develop the trading platform. I think you put a lot of volunteers into this. I think now it's really good opportunity for you to share with everyone here. So what will be the major difference and what our future traders on Trandex trading platform can expect?
Okay, thank you again. So there are three main highlights I want to share with you all. First, the deep integration of trading tools with AI token recommendation. In simple words, our trading tools are directly connected to an AI recommendation strategies. As I mentioned earlier, the user will receive trading signals based on their own defined strategies. They can configure this signal to enable direct, one click, or even jump to another trading platform. With this, our goal is to help everyone grow from a beginner to a knowledgeable expert, which is capable of making smart decisions. Second point, the token economy model and the ecosystem rewards. 20% of Trendex ecosystem token, TTA, will be allocated as a reward to users who trade on the platform. The rewards will be distributed periodically based on the trading volume, profitability, and the alpha discovery, among many other factors. With this, we are aiming to not only enhance user profitability skills, but also give them a direct reward on top of their earnings. Third, the top-notch security and compliance. We have implemented advanced technologies like layered wallets, MPC wallets, and financial grade encryption. This will ensure the security for all the user transactions. We are also in the process of securing trading licenses in multiple countries. With this regulation, we will offer services that's most legal and transparent possible. In summary, Trendex trading system isn't just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem designed to enhance both your skill and your value. We hope that with this easy-to-use tools, seamless integration, and long-term ecosystem rewards, you will not only make money through that trading, but also rapidly grow as an investor. You will be shifting from an average user to a professional trader. We are very excited to share this news with you, and back to you, Mach.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abdul. I know you designed this tirelessly. So allow me to recap your three. I think you highlight most three major difference from Trandex trading platforms to other platforms. I think most one, please correct me if I'm wrong. So, so it's like first, it's like AI powered trading tool. So basically, you have seamless integration of AI strategies that trading tools can help. Basically, you can customize your own selections for your own token, how you define your own KOLs. Basically, instead of you used to give you all the rights to the professional traders, now actually in your hands, you are the one to control what you can invest and which you design. So it's more autonomy. So that's what I think about it. And next, what I think is very, very exciting. It's very, very generous from Trandex platform as well. It's a token economy and rewards. And I heard you said 20% of the TTA going to allocate it to reward users based on trading volume and profitability. Because I think people know me already from previous space. So everyone knows I convert myself from Web2 traditional finance and analyst to Web3. So, that time we're talking about past investment. Why is the past investment, if you track ETF of the stock market, might be slightly even higher than active trading. I think we had a conversation a few days ago with you, Mr. Abdul. So why? Because actually your trading fees take a large piece of your cake. So, but for this way, Trandex actually sold this pain point, which you reward. Actually, just forget about the trading. The more you trade, actually, the cheaper it is. So that's very revolutionary. So thank you. I'm really glad to hear that. I can't wait to trade there. So, and another thing I'm thinking from my all thoughts as well, for your trading and investment, I think the most foremost important thing is about mitigate the risk. We can't eliminate the risk, but we can, try to reduce the risk. It's about Fundex trading platform going to offer top level security and compliance. That's what I heard. Because when you explained to me, during our meetings, and where you explained to me and the top notch of the wallets you design, and our CTO gave me an explanation. I think this is most advanced technology has been applied. I was even Googling all the big tech words for that, because I was thinking that's really exciting how our CTO and our team to apply the most advanced technology to try to secure for security our investments, for all our users' asset. I think that's very, very important as a trading platform. It's very credible and secure, and everything is compliant and regulated, and Trandex we embrace for all of that. And right. So Ms. Abdul, did I do a good job for the recap? Yeah. Okay. So I think thank you. So yeah, good. I feel good. It's good to get a praise from our CEO. So I think the next one we'll jump back to the question, because today is about XTTA. Because after we announced the XTTA on Gate, I got a lot of phone calls, messages from our friends, our family, or so our supporters, everyone. We're so excited about it. They want to know more about it. So now I think it's time to have us such a technical background CTO to explain to us how does the Trandex computing power network generate value? Because this everything is about value, right? We bring value to our users, to everyone. So now we want to know this specific part of this value. How it did reach the current scale? Because I heard a large number from our product team, operating team. So I know now we are in a large scale for that. And by the way, I hear there's like a big announcement if you're going to review first time. I never did. So yes, Mr. Abdul. So now Mike is yours. Please explain to us about the computing power for that network generate value theory.
Okay, thank you. So at the core of our computing power network, it's computation itself, which bring real demand for computation and value the output. The Trandex economy model is incredibly well developed, with the computing power driven token circulation and supporting the entire ecosystem growth. To break it down into small words, our computing power isn't just used for AI training and big data processing, but also for tasks like data cleaning and classifications, which will directly meet market needs. This drives the growth of computing power and enhanced its value. Overall, the true value of the application, the well-structured incentive system, and the continuous upward trajectory are the key elements behind our computing power network. Back in September and October of last year, we launched the first two phases of our Owlbot sales. We offered the limit of 32,500 Owlbot units. The market responded with an overwhelming, they bought all of them, with users from 11 countries participating. By 2025, we are expecting to have between 0.5 to 1 million Owlbot units. That's worth noting that these new robots won't be produced by Trandex directly, but by the user who early participate in the computing power ecosystem. That's because Trandex computing power ecosystem model hands over full production and operational rights to the community. Through this innovative economy model and user co-creation mechanism, Trandex computing power network has already created significant market value. This model is enabling rapid network growth while ensuring that every participant enjoying ongoing forward. Our goal is to create a user-driven plus real value creation model. This is the result we are aiming for and we are looking for. Back to you, Mash.
Thank you, Mr. Abdul. When you're talking about past September and October, I feel like that was like a few days ago, because when we do the launch, we think we had the events, we hosted events in, I think Singapore and also Thailand, because we host a lot of events and very, very successful. So it was so vivid. It's still on my mind. So thank you for the detailed explanation. I think our bot will be do great. And the Trandex computing power network is truly impressive, combining with real computation. How to highlight that real computation, your computer really works. So our bot is really mining hardly, working hardly. So even while sleeping, that's what something we call passive income, I think. Yeah, this is definitely the expense for that. So combining with real computation with tangible value, right? So even your computer is working for you, do the computation for Trandex platform, that you get reward. So the RBOT sale is successful and upcoming going to expansion. I heard you mention 500,000 to even 1 million, but I don't want to spoil you the surprise. I think you're going to announce something really exciting for next question I'm going to ask you. So, to highlight the platform, the growth. So what's even more exciting is how the community is empowered to take part of the production. That's how I feel as, Transact family is part of, and no matter it's the employees, our team members, our community members. I really feel like Transact is really rooted for the whole community and user. We share all the revenue, everything. We share the growth, everything together. That's what I can feel personally from myself. So I really truly believe myself, after observe all your hard work, everything, we're going to achieve truly successful. So I think we're going to move for the next question, which I know we're going to have a big announcement for the lots of our original oral bot holders. I think that's going to review. So could you please? Okay, so everyone, if you had a word break or bathroom break just now it's time to back the break is over. So please stay tuned. So let's our CEO, Mr. Abdul, to explain what's the next plans that can be revealed to the market. Because I know, Mr. Abdul, you told me a lot of time how to bite my tongue. Don't reveal any confidential messages, no matter technical or marketing news. So I did great job for this news. I will pass the mic to you. I'll leave your SEO to share the great news for everyone. Okay.
Okay, thank you for not telling everybody. So first, our mission and core values will remain unchanged as we continue to strive for the positive development of the Web3 industry, and we will bring more forward-looking possibilities. Our first big announcement on the 26th of January, XTTA will be listed on the Gate.io, which is a major milestone that brings a great benefits to the computing power ecosystem. During this period, we'll be hosting multiple exciting events, so I encourage you to stay tuned and wait for it. The second thing, the Trandex trading system is set to officially launch in February. And those 20% of TTA will be allocated to rewards for the user who engage in the trading platform. Thirdly, the trading ecosystem token TTA will also be listed on the top global exchanges in February also, which will provide a significant exposure for the TTA token. Stay excited for more updates. Here's some other news which will make you excited. The third phase of Owlbot will not be launched for now. Instead, we plan to keep all the market profits for these early participants in the ecosystem. Every XTTA holder becomes an Owlbot producer. All the new robots will be reproduced by early users using the XTTA token, which they already mined. And also 80% of the XTTA used for making these bots will be burned, while 20% will go towards XTTA ecosystem development. With this, we are not only creating a de-inflation environment for XTTA, but we also provide the continuous additional values to every participant in the computing power ecosystem. It's a sustainable and it's a win-win situation for everybody involved. And looking in the future, we are committed to truly help every user become an informed investor, just like a professional trader, throughout AI and big data. We are aiming to make it easy for everyone to understand the market and what makes an expert decisions. To achieve this goal, we will continue to enhance our services and expand our decentralized computing power network, which is vital to powering the platform's growth. We are aspiring to revolutionize the traditional finance system through technological innovation, ecosystem development, and user collaborations. Our vision will be to deliver fair and transparent financial services covering every corner of the globe and liberating users from the complex and the intermediate in traditional finance. With us, the wealth grow and control will truly return to the hands of every individual. Our mission is not just to create an exceptional trading platform, but to drive also the development of new financial ecosystems, which will be powered by the technology and the innovations. Our aim to empower each user and contribute to the industry progress toward a fairer and more open and smarter future. So yeah, back to you, Mash.
Thank you, Mr. Abdul. It's nice to see you get so excited. As a kind guy, you seem really, really excited today. So that's really good to hear. I'll share with all my colleagues today later. So that's fantastic news. So let me recap a little bit. If I did a good job, you can have a bigger smile even. So from first is, of course, let's say the market calendar, 26th of the gate listing for our XTTA market calendars, all fellows. And next one is going to our TTA going to be announced on the top exchange somewhere soon. Will you tell me in the future very soon? Okay, I think Abdul won't be. So anyway, I'm keep my finger crossed. I'm super excited for that as well. And another thing is our trading platform. So it's all very, very exciting news, and I can't wait to have more. So as we promised last year, everything will be delivered. We're working tirelessly for that. So thank you for sharing the amazing, amazing news. I think for all our early Arbot holders, and I think it's very, very interesting and very, very exciting news for you too, because because I followed each step of our CEO and production team decision at beginning. I know because we're originally going to have, correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Abdul, so we already have with plans before last year going to have a total number of 65,000 in total counts for our bots, because we want to first and second phase, as you said, we sold out really, really fast, and the people really supporting for that. So actually we were planning to sell ourselves for that half before the listing. But now I've just heard you announce the news is in order to, we selling from Trendex platform, we're going to remove that plan. So just big alert, everyone, just listen carefully again. So all the future our bots, no matter it's between 500,000 to 1 million, all going to be created and generated from existing our bot holders. So you know how the rules, how you use XTTA to exchange for new Aurobot, making Aurobot babies, making more Aurobot, mining more tokens. So all the profit we share back to our early supporters, our Aurobot holders. So all the benefits and rewards and back to you. So I think that's very generous of you, Ms. Abdul. So thank you on behalf of the community. So that's really generous, I have to say. So it's nice to share the for this reward for everyone. So I think that's our calling is about, to share the rewards and value for all our family, because we treat all users as a family member. That's what you're telling us in the company as well. And thank you for that. So after I did a good recap job, so if I did a good job, so let's move. I won't take too much longer time of yours and Thursday. And thank you everyone from all over the world listening to today's space or AMA, and thank you for everyone. So now we jump into the last final question for our CEO, Mr. Abdul. So very simple title, but you have to give me a longer answer for that. So listen, now I have to shoot the last question. What's next for Trendex? Okay, from my side, Mike is yours.
Thank you. So Trendex as a platform, it's driven by AI and DePIN, which has been always our focus on proving an exceptional experience for our users while leading innovations in the investment and the computing power markets. Now, let me share with you some of our key plans for the future. First, we're going to strengthen our DePIN infrastructure. By that, we are planning to attract more computing power providers to create a truly global distributed computing resource market. Through XTTA's efficient resource distribution mechanism, we will lower the entry barriers for those seeking computing power, making it easier for more people to join the centralized ecosystem. And also, we will deepen our collaborations with AI development teams and blockchain projects to expand the application of our decentralized computing network and making it a powerful resource for even industries. Secondly, we will be focusing on enhancing ecosystem governance and community buildings. In the future, we aim to optimize our governance mechanisms, allowing TTA token holder to participate more deeply in the decision-making processes, such as rule setting, incentive distribution, and technical development. Through TTA and XTTA, we will launch a new community incentive program to encourage users to contribute to the ecosystem growth and promotions. And to make our community truly global, we are also planning to establish support centers in more regions. Those centers are welcoming for users from all over the world to join our ecosystem. Thirdly, we are committed to advancing blockchain interoperability by integrating more mainstream public blockchains. Will support seamless multi-chain assets trading and management. Additionally, we change our integration to further enhance resource efficiency and enable better collaboration and sharing of computer resources. Finally, we are dedicated to developing more user-friendly features. We will optimize our interaction processes so that the users can easily execute one-click investments and manage computing power allocations. And also, our mobile app will also be upgraded to give users the ability to manage their investment and resources anytime and anywhere. Additionally, we will incorporate cutting-edge technologies like zero-knowledge proofs to further enhance platform security and protect the privacy. So with these plans in place, we believe TrendX will not only solidify its leadership in the investment and computing power sectors, but also provide greater opportunities and more efficient services for the global users. We are excited to have each of you with us on this journey as we build a brighter future together. Thank you again for the support, and let's move forward into this exciting new era. Thank you. Back to you, Mash.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abdul, and so nice having you with us today. And thank you for your leadership and leading TrendX for brighter future. I'm super excited for that. I trust everyone here is as well. And for your valuable time, for the incredible insights. It's clear that TrendX has big plans for this year, and we can't wait to see everything unfold. It's our third year going to be coming. So as we wrap up, we want to remind everyone that there's so much more to come, and we just getting started. So if you haven't followed us, please follow us on Twitter, our TrendX official and TrendX research. And the TrendX journey is one of the growth, innovation, and success, and we're thrilled to have you with us on this ride. And I think it's very amazing ride. Thank you to all our viewers and tuning in. Thank you for all the audience, our families. Stay connected, stay updated, and get ready for even more exciting announcement in the future. I think very soon I'm going to have another big announcement coming. So let's make this year one of the transformation and successful together. Until next time, thank you for being part of TrendX family. Good night, good afternoon, good morning from all of you, from all over the world. Love from TrendX. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.